In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Yahoo to Google Chrome. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open so you can access the main menu and settings. When Chrome is on screen, look to the top right corner of the window. You will see the three-dot menu there. From that menu, choose Settings. This will open the main settings page for Chrome, where you can control different browser preferences. On the left side of the settings page, you will see a list of categories. Find and click the option labeled Search Engine. Once you are in the Search Engine section, look for the setting called Search Engine used in the address bar. There will be a drop-down menu next to it. Click that drop-down menu to view the available search engine options. From the list, select Google. As soon as you choose Google, the change is applied automatically. In most cases, there is no Save button to click, so you can simply close the Settings tab when you are done. The next time you type a search into the Chrome address bar, it should use Google instead of Yahoo. If you still see Yahoo after making this change, take a moment to confirm that Google is still selected in that same setting. Sometimes browser extensions or other browser configurations can affect search behavior, so checking the setting again can be helpful. That covers everything you need to know.